What's special about Drury University is that it's a family. Relationships develop here that last a lifetime. And so what you'll see today is a design that reinforces that connectivity between people.
Now, you may ask, why a master plan? Well, as Winston Churchill said, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So we decided to work with Cooper Robertson to create this framework plan to help us guide through the development and design process. They set about coming to campus, establishing a week-long charrette, which is an intensive face-to-face design session. We engaged 18 different constituencies across campus. That was trustees, students, staff, faculty, the city of Springfield, Springfield Public Schools.
What you see today and what you'll experience will be a product of bold vision, driven by faith and belief, and it will be made real by the hard work of the Drury community, alumni, faculty, friends. And these buildings, the ones that we're going to be doing first and the ones that we'll be doing over the next few years, embody something that we've been working on called a strategic positioning platform. What is it that all students experience here at Drury in a residential university dedicated to cultivation of professional aptitudes and the cultivation of aptitudes for life?
As Dr. Cloyda said, the most important thing about the master plans is not the buildings themselves, but what goes inside the buildings. When I look at this master plan, I see a bold vision where buildings and spaces are designed to facilitate and to encourage innovation and collaboration and community, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. What's very exciting is that the master plan and the academic repositioning are converging to allow us to develop facilities that provide physical spaces to encourage innovative, experiential teaching and learning.
Architects don't just make buildings, they shape the spaces outside those buildings. So they shape the public space. And I think from my point of view, that's what's so powerful about the product here that you're going to be seeing, is that it lays out a vision for a series of public spaces on campus where we can sort of reinforce our identity as a community that works together, that is collaborative, that's highly creative.
The board is extremely excited about the plan. We are unanimous in support of it. And I can't tell you how, from my standpoint anyhow, how positive the reaction was to it. And anybody that's been around the board with 40 people on it, to get 40 people to agree with it, it has to be a pretty exciting proposition. Now we just got to make it a reality. And the only way we can do that is if everybody in the Drury community pull together and go forward with it. And I know, as speaking for the board, we feel very confident about it and are really excited to go forward.